Everywhere I go, everybody always asks me, Gage, where do you get your drip? You got more drip than my nose on a winter day. Well, today I will finally be answering this question and showing you guys my $1 million wardrobe. Welcome to my wardrobe. My wardrobe is a little too drippy. I don't have a closet and my dresser is filled with Pokemon cards. So all my clothes, they go straight on top of this washer. Now starting off with Pant Wear, I own one pant and they're from Old Navy. When I was balling out with my Tractor Supply money, I decided, frick it, I'm gonna go crazy and spend $40 on some jeans. And guess what? I did it. Now I own one pair of jeans. I wore this every single day for the last 4 months. Drippy. We had pant wear, now we got underwear. I got all the wacky underwear, right? We got pink underwear with bananas. We got light blue underwear that was just gifted to me by my aunt. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It really helped me out. We got pink underwear with skunks and hearts on them, and then it's ripped. I sewed this 2 times, and every time it came out of the washer, it got unsewed. What you gonna do about it? We got underwear with wolves on them. And last but not least, we got underwear with donuts on them. Most of those underwear I picked up over the years. Actually, these pink underwear are, I think, 5 years old now. I got these the first day before the first day of 10th grade. That was a tongue twister. I used to have 5 pairs of these, but they've all either gotten ripped up. These are the only surviving pair. And next up, we got one of my favorite parts. Shirtwear. First up, we got this 100% rag wool sweater. This thing is so fire. I bought it off eBay for 25 bucks, but it's an $170 sweater. This thing is so fire. Now we got the LL Bean cotton sweater. My mom bought this for me for 10 bucks from a thrift store. This thing is so fire. The Minion Suit, you guys already know I don't go anywhere without the Minion Suit. Next up, we got this Woolrich wool knitted sweater with a caribou on it. This thing is fire. I bought this for 25 bucks. I got this off eBay, and it's a bit too small. Not that it doesn't fit right. It fits too well. It fits like a regular t-shirt, which wool sweaters aren't supposed to fit like that. They're supposed to be a little big. And last but not least, we got a wool blend shirt that I just found in the basement and then decided it's mine. And then with headwear, it's a must. I got the coyote pelt hat that I made myself. I bought the pelt on eBay for 80 bucks and then made it into this baby, and it's definitely the best hat ever. And for Beltware, again, I was balling out with all the money I was getting from Tractor Supply and decided to spend 10 bucks on a nice leather belt from that store. It served me pretty well, actually. It's kind of destroyed, but hey, it keeps my pants on. And last but not least, the drip they don't want you to see. We got the 2020 school graduation gown. Yeah, guys, graduated in 2020. It's my biggest achievement. It's all I've achieved so far in life. Man, that's depressing. All I've done is graduate. That was 2 years ago. I hit 3K subs on YouTube. Let's go! Wow, when I was talking about my amazing achievement of graduating, I actually almost forgot about all my wacky socks. We got some gay homosexual socks. We got some dress socks, yo. We got some wool socks that I left near a fire too long. We got some Mario socks. I'm not gonna turn them inside out. Who do you think I am? Do you think I'm gonna work hard for this YouTube channel? Who do you think you are? And then we got some pepper socks. Yeah. Socks, dude. Used to love socks. Anyways, guys, that's my drip. Hope you could have appreciated it. It's just that YouTube check that I keep on getting, and so I spend all my money on clothes. That's what you do when you're dripped out in this 3,000 subscriber lifestyle, okay? And if you want to be as dripped out as me, start a YouTube channel, get 3K subs, make a ton of money every week, and then you can just buy all the clothes you want. It's as easy, it's simple as that. So I hope that can help you out, guys. What is this YouTube channel, bro?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Ew, this lighting is so bad.
It really is.
No, okay, it's down here. Just go do do do. Okay. Wait, I wasn't in frame. No, you're rough with it. Go do. doot.
Okay.
Okay. that was.
Okay.
That was weak. He really said.
Okay.
Okay, dude. Doot, doot, doot.
It's some sports thing. It's some sports thing.
That's it.